Weeks ago, the Honorable Kyagulanyi made a video by the river. This video had a lot of scenes very many people did not notice. First of all, he was barefooted. He was aside the running water. It looked spiritual. We know in Uganda when one is barefooted, that is mourning. There is a lot of things that are running in his mind. There is grievance in his heart. I won't say he feels betrayed because he's not alone. We are by him. We are standing by him because he stood for us. And we must all stand up as a collective responsibility so that we can put an end to this error. The more we wait, the more our people are going to die. A few weeks ago, still, he spoke to the European Parliament. My message is simple to these countries. Let's act by our words. We must act in the law and the things that we profess to be believing in. You believe in democracy, and we must not go about it. We must do what exactly we must do. Stop shaking hands with the dictators in Africa. Stop massaging them. If we call for sanctions against these dictators, must be sanctioned. If they are violating human rights and you believe in human rights and democracy, why should you keep on shaking hands with these guys? Are you becoming enablers of dictators in Africa? Are you saying other things and also doing other things? This must stop. You must be called to action. The European Parliament, the European Council, and the United States must be responsible for the atrocities that are going on because you have the capacity. If the child home is contrary to the laws of the house, then the father must have a problem. If you're being put in a position where you can help somewhere and you don't, the problem is on your side. You get many immigrants in your countries because there is a problem somewhere and you're not fixing it. And you somewhere, somehow you may be responsible. We can stand as one and stop this. This world is very good for everyone to live in. Africa is a peaceful country, if at all left to be peaceful. Only help the people to put out these dictators. I think it's the only thing that we need from you. Stop enabling the dictators in Africa. It's only a call to action.